Start by downloading the Ubuntu 22.04 server image. A quick search online should help you find the official download link. Once the download is complete, use Balena Etcher to flash the image to a USB drive. With the flash finished, move the USB stick to your server and boot from it. Start by selecting your preferred language, then update the installer if prompted to do so. Next, select the keyboard layout that suits you. On the Installation Type screen, select Ubuntu Server and click Done. At this point, your server should automatically receive an IP address from your router. Make a note of it, as you will need it later. In this example, the address is 192.168.0.187. Select Custom Storage Layout, then format your drive. Note that this will erase all existing data. Create a partition of 100 gigabytes as shown. Enter your name, a name for your server, and your desired username and password. Make sure to remember your credentials, as you will need them to log in later. Click Continue, and on the following screen, make sure to select Install OpenSSH Server. That's it. The installation is now complete. Once the server has booted, head back to your desktop and connect to it via SSH. In this guide, we are using PuTTY as our SSH client. Enter the IP address noted during installation, along with your username and password. All commands used throughout this guide can be found in the description below the video. First, make sure the system is fully up to date. Then, disable automatic updates to prevent any clients from being interrupted by them in the future. Now it's time to install the NVIDIA driver. Once the installation is complete, restart the server for the driver to take effect. Once the server has rebooted, reconnect via SSH and log in. Then, verify that your NVIDIA GPU is being detected correctly. With the GPU confirmed, it's time to install Vast. Head to the Vast setup page, click Install Manager, and copy the provided command. You will need to forward a port range to the server's IP address. A good rule of thumb is to allocate 100 ports per GPU. The Vast Manager installation is now complete. Head to your machine page, where the server should appear within a few seconds. Once all the data has populated, click Settings to make the machine available for rent. Enter your desired pricing and click List. Let's verify that the machine is visible on the Vast Marketplace. Note the machine ID, then head to the search page and adjust the filters as needed to ensure your machine shows up. And that's it! Your server is now available for rent. Good luck! Please note that verification can take anywhere from 1 day to an indefinite amount of time and is not guaranteed. Machines with high-end specifications and a fast internet connection are generally more likely to verify sooner.